Changing your primary bank account on Society6 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Society6 website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaf databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Information or Bank Account. Click on it to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update bank details. Here, you will see your existing primary bank account information. Click on the option to edit or change your bank details. Enter your new bank account information as prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save or Update and click it to confirm the changes. Make sure to double check your new bank information for accuracy. Once updated, your new primary bank account will be used for future transactions on Society6.